a great streak.
I always wondered if I backed out right here if it would make me pick up. It would probably put it all in my stats box. That would suck. 12 legendaries. That's a good rate. 12 is a good rate. I gotta fucking delete all this shit.
Wait, how many did you get?
12 legendaries.
Oh, okay.
28 epics.
I stopped counting, dude. I literally there was so many I couldn't. Yeah, I don't even know how many I got.
Bro, I got fucking 23 legendaries in Slim's game today somehow. I was tripping, bro. Like, well, that's the most I ever got. I don't know what the fuck he did, but he did something with them values and changed it.
Yeah.
Sucked off somebody, I'm sure. What is this? Oh, I need that. Oh, I actually got something I needed.
There
That's
you go.
crazy.
Bro.
I deleted it before. I didn't ever have another copy of it.
What was it?
The fucking wrist cloth, the
Hmm.
pants.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I fucking dude, every weapon I've ever gotten, I just fucking deleted it straight away. I didn't even give a fuck.
I know, you get
Oh.
to the point, yeah, you
No, like it was like you can ask Pope. This one when I was like first started, I just kept deleting everything. I was like, "Fuck it, man. I'll wait. I'll get it better whenever I get better at the game."
yeah.
But that was the one thing I fucking deleted
Oh,
early on, and I
gotcha.
never saw that motherfucker ever again. I'm like, damn, I got the mod for this motherfucker.